Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good day. Alright, so today we go with chemical bonding on chapter 5. Alright, so outline. You should know how to draw Lewis dot symbol. You must know how to identify bond exists in the compound and also in the molecule. You must be able to predict the molecular geometry by using the BSEP. Alright, so valence electron is the outer shell electron of an atom. It particularly take part in chemical bonding, so we can deduce by electron configuration, like from group 1 to group 7a we have electron configuration of ns1 up to ns2 and p5, where your electron valence is E1, ns2 and p5. Okay, so 7 altogether is 7 electron. Yeah. Okay. Chemical symbol you can represent by Lewis dot symbol for the valence electron. Okay, so these are the example. For example, if you have nitrogen number, nitrogen is 5, group 5, okay, group 5. Okay, so you can write electron configuration as 1s2 to s2 to p3, and the outer electron is the highest level. Okay, the highest level, which is 2, high level 2. So, okay, so the outer electron you have to add these 2. Okay, has to add these 2, so you got 5. So in order to draw the electron, okay, we draw like this. We put the symmetrical first, 1 2 3 4, okay, and then we add the other new one here. Okay, alright, so you have dative covalent bonding here. Okay, Lewis electron dot symbol for elements. Okay, for example, period 2 we got with 1 until 8. Okay, until you fulfill the octet. Same goes to the period number 3, and then until you fulfill the octet, right? So yes, it is true that same group, same valence electron, same Lewis dot symbol. Okay. So what is chemical bonding? Chemical bonding is either you join 2 or more atoms together and then they distribute their electrons either by transfer or by sharing of the electrons. So semi-chemical force, we have 3 types of chemical bonding. First one is ionic, second one is covalent, and third one is metallic. Ionic is metal with non-metals bonding. Covalent is non-metal with non-metals, and metallic with metal with metal. So these are example. These are example of ionic bonding. Ionic is metal with non-metals. For example, Na plus metal with the Cl metal, Cl non-metal. So they react together to produce the ionic bonding of salt and HCl. Alright. So for Cl and Cl, for non-bonding, covalent bonding, they has non-metal with non-metal. For example, Cl and bromine, they share their electrons to become ClBr. This one, ionic bonding, just now they have transferred the electron from one to another. For metallic bonding, is between metal and metal. Okay, metallic bonding, metal and metal, such as Na with Na with another Na to form the sea of electrons. Okay. Right. So ionic bonding, we transfer electron from metal to non-metals by donates or receiving the electrons. Metal, we donates 1 or more the electrons, and then once the electron enter the non-metal akan receive. Okay, that should become an ion. Alright, so this is how does it happen. Na will donate 1 of electron to become Na plus electron. So from we have Na is 11, 1s2 to s2 to p6, 3 is s1. So we have 1 extra electron here we can donate. So this one will be donated easily. Alright, to become an A plus, where you have 10 electron now, which is fulfill the octet. So this is much more stable. Okay, so those electron can enter the non-metal, causing the form negatively charged anion. Okay, for example, Cl will receive 1 of electron from who? From Na just now. Okay, so Cl is basically because of it has 15. This is group 5A, kan? So 1s2 to s2 to p6, then okay, 5 3s2 to p5. So you have 1 extra space to be inserted in to become octet. So you can receive 1 of the electron to become Cl minus. So now you have a complete octet. So ionic bonding has electrostatic force, hold the ion together. We call it as ionic bonding. Arrangement, the giant lattice. So there are three ways to present the formation of electron transfer. One through electron configuration. Number 2 through orbital diagram. Number 3 through Lewis electron dot. Okay, Lewis dot electron. Okay, so if you draw to the three of them, you must know how to draw orbital diagram. It must have orbital. Okay, electron configuration must have like this, like lithium. Lithium is 3, so you have to write 1 s2 to s1. Okay, so this one will be donate electron. So while this one, fluorine from group 5. Okay, 5, 1 s2 to s2 to p5. Okay, sorry, from group 7, 7a. Okay, from group 7a, so the remaining one is 7 outer electron, but it has one empty orbital to be insert in. So lithium donate electron to become lithium plus, so now it become 1s2. Iron, fluorine will receive one of the electron to become octet to p6. Okay, in terms of drawing, can draw like this, 1s2 to s1 for lithium and 1s2 to s2 to p5 for fluorine. Okay, so once it gives the electron, okay, so one of these will be donate out. Alright, so what you have now, you fulfill the octet here. Okay, then Lewis dot structure, the same thing, 1. Then you donate one electron to fluorine to become lithium plus and iron fluorine. So same goes to this. Na is 11, so the outer one is 3s1. So that's why it has 3s1 here. Okay, and then plus with oxygen. Oxygen is 16, 2s2 to p5, to p5, to p4. Okay, to p4. So orbital, this is okay, to orbital 2s2 to p4. So altogether is 6. Outer electron is 6. So basically we have empty orbitals, 2 empty orbitals here to be filled in. Right, so basically you have to balance the equation first. 2 Na plus react with 2 O2 minus, then only it can be balanced. So basically N we donate, Na we donate one more electron, and then another Na we donate one more electron to become N2 plus. Okay, 2 N2 plus, and then we have oxygen, we receive 2 electrons to become octet here. Okay, covalence, they share the electrons. Alright, so like from non-metal, so hydrogen is considered as non-metals. They share the electron with another. Okay, from covalent bond, it can be formed single bond, double bond, triple bond, covalent bond in negative ion, and also can form the coordinative bond or dative. Single bond, for example, Cl and Cl, H and C, H and H, HF, fluorine, and also fluorine. Okay, so this is how they share electrons. Cl, so you have outer electron is 7, you need one more electron to become octet. Same goes to this one. So if you are having not enough money, we need to share, okay, in order to make a profit together. Alright, so both will win-win situation. Okay, so this is considered as lone pair of electron, where they have the pair, 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair, 3 lone pair, and then this is considered as bond pair of electron. This is another lone pair, another lone pair, another lone pair, right? So to form the so double bond consists of 2 bond electron pairs. Okay, 4 electron valence shared between 2 atoms. It has bond for 2. Alright, so for example, this one, oxygen is 6. This is also 6. So they share 2 electrons together to become the double bond here. Okay. Triple bond, they share 3 bonding, like in nitrogen. Nitrogen has 5. This is also 5. So they need 3 more oxygen. So how? So basically, this nitrogen we donate 3, this nitrogen we donate 3. Right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So they have triple bond here, remaining is 2 here to become dative, this one to become lone pair. Alright, so the same approach to that. Covalent bond in negative ion. Negative ion, for example, we have like cobalt 2 minus. Okay, electron charge from negative charge, so like electron from oxygen or electron from carbon. So you have to know which one will be the center. Normally the one that have electropositive will sit in center. So this is electropositive. This boleh tengok buku Alright, and then this is will be electronegative for oxygen. So oxygen will be surrounded at the outside of carbon. Carbon is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then oxygen is 6. 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. Alright, so they share electron like this. Okay, so this one form 2 bonding. Okay, to get the double bond. Dative bondings means that 2 atoms share a pair of electron, both atoms being donated by one atom. The process forming dative is called coordination. Electron pair donor, which is one will be donate the lone pair, and at least the atom must have one pair unshared electron. Dia mesti ada remaining unshared electron And then electron pair acceptor, the acceptor of the pair is accept the pair of electron, dan dia mesti ada at least satu kekosongan. So this is example of dative or coordination. NH4 plus, we have N, we have H. Okay, nitrogen is 5, so 3 can be formed with hydrogen, 1 to 3. And then satu lagi tak boleh nak form, alright, because we have extra pair kat sini kan. Okay, yang ni tak ada. So what we do is we share the electron together with the hydrogen. Okay, so you form like this. Okay, you form like this, and then this is actually already become dative. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You have formed the bonding with the hydrogen, and then another remaining one yang ada kat sini, ini adalah dative dia. Dia akan donate a share dengan hydrogen to become the dative bonding. So dative bonding normally we put with symbol of this one, arrow.